Hello students, this is our third video on chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Today we will discuss about exercise 3.2 and examples of 3.3 and exercise 3.3 also. These are very small exercise. So let us move on exercise 3.2. Write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine position of any point C in Cartesian plane? I have told you. You can see the video 1 and tell the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point. Question number 2. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by two lines? What is the name of each part of the plane formed by two lines? I have told you. So do yourself. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. उस पॉइंट का नाम लिखना है आपने जहां पर दोनों की दोनों लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होती हैं, दोनों की दोनों लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होती हैं. Many of time I told you in video 1. Let us consider question number 2. See figure and write coordinate of B, coordinate of C, the point identified -3, -5, abscissa of point D, ordinate of point H, the point identified by 2, -4, coordinate of point L, coordinate of point M. This is our figure. This is our figure, and we have to tell coordinate of B. See here is B point. So tell the coordinate. We have discussed in examples. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सी के कोऑर्डिनेट बताने हैं हमको, तो हमने एग्जाम्पल में बहुत डिस्कस किया है, ये सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. ठीक है, आप इसको करेंगे. बहुत ही सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है, बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चंस हैं इसके. द पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाइड बाय 2, -4. 2, -4 को कौन सा पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई करेगा? 2, -4 किसके कोऑर्डिनेट हैं, किस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट हैं, ये हमको बताना है यहाँ पर. 2, -4. नेक्स्ट है हमारा द पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाइड -3, -5. -3, -5 किस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट हैं, ये हमें बताना है. एब्सिसा ऑफ पॉइंट डी बताना है, डी का एब्सिसा बताना है. ऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट एच बताना है, ऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट एच भी बताना है हमको. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट एल बताना है, एल के कोऑर्डिनेट बताने हैं. वेयर इज एल? हेयर इज एल, एल ऑन वाई एक्सिस. एंड कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एम के कोऑर्डिनेट हमें निकालने हैं, फाइंड करने हैं. एम के कोऑर्डिनेट बताने हैं क्या है, एम ऑन नेगेटिव साइड ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस. सो यू कैन डू योर सेल्फ. दिस इज वेरी इजी वन. प्लीज डू योर सेल्फ, एंड इफ यू वॉन्ट टू नोट इट डाउन यू कैन नोट इट डाउन. This is your figure and this is your questions. These are questions based on this figure. Question number 2. You can see and you can note it down. Let's move on. Example number 3 now. Locate the point 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, -3, 5, -3, -5, 5, -3, 6, 1. First of all, we have to locate these points on graph paper. You can, if you have no graph paper, then you can do it in your notebook, fair notebook, using scale and pencil. You have to make number line, and by taking 1 centimeter gap you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 on x negative x-axis. positive y-axis 1 2 3 4 5, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. You can take 1 centimeter gap using scale properly. Now first of all 5, 0. Now 5, 0, I have told you in video 2, 5, 0 on x-axis because ordinate is 0. Ordinate is 0, therefore point lies on x-axis. Now where is 5, 0? Here. This one is 5, 0, a point 5, 0. Now 0, 5, abscissa is 0, therefore 0, 5 lies on y-axis, positive y-axis because this point is positive. So we go here C point 0, 5. This is our 0, 5. Next is 2, 5. Now x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. You can move the distance x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. So this D point, you can see x is equal to 2 and y equal to 5. So this D point is 2, 5. मैंने थोड़ा इस साइड लिख रखा है ये. यहाँ से 2 यूनिट्स चलेंगे x की और 5 यूनिट चलेंगे y एक्सिस पे. जहाँ पे दोनों मीट करेंगे वो D पॉइंट आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट है 5, 2. x इक्वल टू 5 एंड y इक्वल टू 2. नाउ go to x equal to 5 and y equal to 2 here. Y equal to 2. So E point shows 5, 2. Next one is -3, 5. -3, 5. Now abscissa is negative and -3, 5. Abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. Abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. That means you have to locate in second quadrant. So go to left side of the origin, -3 and positive y-axis 5 this side. So this point is -3, 5. -3, 5. Go to left side of the origin, -3 and above the origin 5. So this is -3, 5. Next one is -3, -5. Both are negative, that means in third quadrant. So go left side of the origin -3 and go below the origin -5. This point is -3, -5. Next one is 5, -3. Now abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. That means fourth quadrant. So locate this point in fourth quadrant. X equal to 5. So go 5 units and y -3. So below the origin 3 units. This is your -3. So this point is H. H is 5, -3. Now next one is 6, 1. 6, 1. X equal to 6 and y equal to 1. X equal to 6 and y equal to 1. Both are positive. So in first quadrant, go 6 unit on positive side of x-axis and 1 unit positive side of y-axis. So this point is 6, 1. Now you can locate the points on xy plane. Next example, same as example number 3. And whole exercise is same on this example. Example number 4, x is -3, y is 7. So abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. So in second quadrant -3, 7 you can locate. X is 0 and y is -3.5. So this point will be on negative y-axis because abscissa is 0 and ordinate is -3.5. So it will be on -3.5. You can locate yourself. Both are negative. Abscissa is negative, ordinate is negative. So point is in third quadrant. Go go 1 unit left to the origin and 3 unit below the origin. You will get -1, -3 in third quadrant. both are positive, x is positive, y is positive, x is 4 unit, y is 4 unit. Go in first quadrant, you can locate 4, x 4 unit, y 4 unit. Next one is abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative, so you can go, you will go in quadrant number 4. Abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. Go 2 unit right side of the origin and 3 unit below the origin, then you can locate 2, -3. Please do yourself, this is for you. Exercise 3.3, first question, in which quadrant or in which axis do each points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. Consider their signs. You can see the signs of abscissa and ordinate and tell the position of points in which quadrant they are lying. After that, verify your answer by locating them. Then you can locate them using XY plane on your notebook by taking 1 centimeter scale on your notebook. So please do yourself this question. Next one is question number 2, plot the points. Same as example number 3 and example number 4. इन points को आपने प्लॉट करना है बिल्कुल इनकी तरह, जैसे इनको प्लॉट करेंगे वैसे इनको भी प्लॉट करेंगे. एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस लेके नंबर लाइन बनाएंगे. पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस, नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस, नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस, और 1 सेंटीमीटर का गैप लेते हुए स्केल की हेल्प से आपने इनको पॉइंट्स को लोकेट करना है एक्स वाई प्लेन पे. हेयर -2, 8, एब्सिसा नेगेटिव, ऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव, एब्सिसा नेगेटिव, ऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव. देन एब्सिसा इज 0, ऑर्डिनेट इज नेगेटिव. Both are positive, that means they are in first quadrant. Abscissa positive, ordinate negative, that means they are in fourth quadrant. So you can locate these points on XY plane using scale and pencil properly. This is our third video and end of the chapter 3. So you can do this chapter. This chapter is very easy chapter. Thank you.